Hey guys, it's injury attorney Scott DeSalvo, Chicago's favorite personal injury lawyer. I know that's pretty cheesy. I think I'm kind of making fun of the TV lawyers and the attorneys who like to have logos and catchphrases, although they must work, because otherwise why would they do them, right? I've thought about coming up with a ridiculous, cheesy catchphrase for marketing purposes. I just can't bring myself to do it. I'd rather people know me and get a sense of who I am and realize I'm a serious person. I'm dedicated to the law, and I'm dedicated to injury law, and I do it every day. A lot of people are impressed by somebody who, what is it, like the guy who's named after a hand tool, or in a wreck need a, whatever, in a crash need some, those kinds of guys. Those kinds of guys never actually handle cases. They sign them up. They hire young attorneys who don't know what they're doing sometimes. I shouldn't say that. I was a young attorney once, and I was pretty good even when I was young, and I've worked with and hired a lot of young attorneys who were very dedicated and learned their craft and did a great job. It's just, I'm driving right now, and you see all these law firm billboards, and it's funny because I look at them and I'm like, he never goes to court. He's never been to court. He doesn't even want to be a lawyer, that kind of thing. But whatever, that's sort of inside baseball. So today's topic is, you're getting to see my salty side today, my crabby side, because I'm tired and my shoulder hurts. I bought a house, a tiny little house, and I'm fixing it up, and it turned into a money pit. You don't need to hear my tales of woe on that, but because I'm pretty handy and I grew up pretty handy, I'm doing a lot of the work myself, and I'm not, we'll just say I'm not quite as young a man as I used to be, but so I'm kind of tired, burning the candle at both ends, kind of tired, kind of sore. So that's why I'm not at my normal high, chipper energy level today. But anyway, I wanted to shoot you a video about exactly what kind of cases do I handle, okay? I had a lady call me. She actually called me because, it's something that I don't handle. My regular viewers or people who've known me and hired me before know if it's an injury case, I do it. That's what I do. I do work injury, car crash, motorcycle crash, fall down cases, dog bite cases, medical and legal malpractice, nursing home abuse, anything involving an injury to you or a loved one, I handle, okay? But I got a call from a lady who is a former client of mine, and really nice lady. She called me up and said, "Hey, Scott, I'm having a problem with my landlord, and I thought you could help me with the case." And I'm like, okay, well, what's the problem with the landlord? And he's just Reader's Digest is he was just being kind of rude to her. It sounds like the landlord wants to sell the property and wants her to move, and she doesn't want to move. The thing is, I do help people with little things like that all the time. I mean, I've probably written over 100 free letters and little disputes with people for free over the course of my career, just because I like to help people. But obviously that's not what I really do. My career is all about injury and injury cases. And so while I was talking to her, she mentioned that she had been in a car crash and, went and hired a TV lawyer for her car injury. And I told her, boy, what, wait, you're calling me to write a free letter for you, but you don't want to use me for your injury case? And, she basically said, oh, I didn't know you do injury. You helped me with something else before. I didn't know you do injury, which, look, it's possible. I do a lot of marketing, and sometimes I feel like I'm obnoxious with as much as I hit you guys over the head with the idea of, I'm an injury lawyer, I'm an injury lawyer, I'm an injury. I sound like a broken record, right? But now you know why I do it. I have to make sure everybody who knows me knows I do injury law, right? So that's the name of the game. That's what I do, injury law, folks. I'm not really, I don't do real estate closings. I don't do bankruptcies. I don't do divorces. I mean, I know things about lots of different areas of law, and it's perfectly okay for you to call me because I can probably refer you to somebody who can help you out. But when it comes to the number one thing that I actually do, it's injury law, right? So car crash, work injury, fall down, dog bite, bar fight, lawyer screws up your case, a doctor screws up your life, a nursing home injury, anything, that involves an injury, I'm your guy. And I hope that clarifies it for anyone who doesn't know, although if you watch these videos, you probably know because I've probably got about 200 videos and all of them talk about injury. So anyway, thank you for watching today. If you have some sort of situation and you need help, please feel free to give me a call, 312-500-4500, 24/7, 365. That number gets called and they send me the info immediately. That's number one. Number two, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to my channel, I'd sure appreciate it. You can do that by clicking the subscribe button below the video and click the bell so that you're notified when my new videos come out. And then finally, if you like my content or I've ever given you a consult and you liked my advice and information, or if you like my videos, or if you've ever been a client and you're so inclined, it would really help me if you would give me a 5-star review on Google. I'll leave a link in the description where you can cut and paste it into a web browser and go there and leave me a 5-star review and say a kind word or two if you would be so kind. I'd really appreciate it. It'd really help me out. So that's all I have to say for you today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day in Chicago today. It's sunny, partly cloudy, but the clouds are very fluffy high in the sky, and it's going to be a high of like 76. It's like a spring day today. I should be at a baseball game. But instead, I'm fighting for the rights of the injured people in the office. I've got a deposition later. Don't worry, I've got a suit at the office. I'm not going to wear a polo suit, a polo shirt to court. Anyway, I'm done talking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.